Okay, I'm going to show you guys a few things on the Wik editor, especially like how to change the size so it's kind of the size of an Instagram post, and how to tween. So first things first is let's actually change the size of our stage. So when we're going to change the size of our stage, we come over here to square and we hit apply, and that will then change the size of our stage to then be the size of an Instagram post, which is a square. So now let's go for tween. So we actually worked with tween this week. Uh, you're going to click on your frame. You're going to click on the add tween, and you're going to then uh, motion over to the end of that frame, and then you're going to say tween as well. When you click on both of those frames, you're going to see your tween here. And now you can actually make the movement of your tween of how you want it to then move or what you want it to happen. So that was my horizontal line. I'm going to just have it get smaller. And as it gets smaller, it's going to then come down and fade. So what's going to happen is it's going to go from here to horizontal and then twirl and fade down. So that was my tween. So let me scroll to the next one. This is my vertical line. Click on tween. Click on tween on the end of where it's going to end on that frame. And then I can make the movement of how I want it to then work and where I want it to then, if it's going to go wide, then where it's going to want to go to. And there's my tween. On my zigzag, once again, click tween, scroll all the way down. So I can scroll all the way down to where it ends. Where it ends at the end tween, that is where I can modify it to, let's scroll up. So we actually haven't scrolled up before. So it just goes and disappears upward. So it's going to fade up. Here is my diagonal. Add a tween. Add a tween. What I want it to do is then let's disappear upward in that direction. And let's make it go smaller as well as it does so. So it disappears, so it's going to get smaller and disappear in the direction that I was going. Tween, once again, tween, and let's disappear this way. Let's disappear to the bottom. Tween, tween, and let's rotate it. And get small. Spiral, tween, add the tween at the end, and it's going to also rotate and get smaller. So this is my emotive, which is anger. And then tween again. It can get actually bigger. So we don't always have to go small. You can actually make things bigger. So it's going to get angry, or as it goes through. Here's my dotted line. And tween. As well.